this Bandh has been specifically called by the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha. So which are the parties that have extended support? The Congress, Aam Aadmi Party, Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, the TDP, YSRCP, the left parties and the Dravida Munnetra Karugam have announced their support to this Bandh. Now, the TMC has stated, the Trinamool Congress, that it stands with farmers but are not supporting the Bharat Bandh agitation. Opposition parties have lashed out at the BJP government at the centre over the farmers' protest. Congress Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi even took to social media site Twitter and said that the farmers' non-violent satyagrah is intact, but the exploitative government does not like it. Another party leader of the Congress party, Jaiveer Shergill, also hit out at the BJP, stating Modi government's dream of the Kisan Mukt Bharat and Kisani Mukt Bharat in courts will never be fulfilled. Congress, meanwhile, has asked all their workers in the cadre and state unit chief to take part in this Bharat Bandh. At least 6 state governments, Tamil Nadu, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, Punjab, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, have announced their support to the farmers' protest. Let me now take you through Tamil Nadu. In Chennai, left parties took a protest march holding party flags. That's the visual there on your screen. Protesters were seen forcing their way through the barricades even as deployed police personnel tried to stop their advance.
जो हमारा अन्नदाता है, उस अन्नदाता ने ये भारत बंद का ऐलान किया है। जो संयुक्त किसान मोर्चा है, जो लगभग 1 साल से भी ज़्यादा समय हो गया आंदोलन कर रहे हैं, सड़क पर बैठे हैं, लाठियाँ खा रहे हैं, गोलियाँ खा रहे हैं पुलिस की। ये किसानों का बंद है। बेरोजगारी है, लोग घर में ही बैठे हैं सरकार की कृपा से। तो बंद तो चालू ही है, इसमें किसानों ने भी बंद का ऐलान किया है। हम मन से उनके साथ हैं।
लोकतांत्रिक प्रक्रिया में यकीन करते हुए वो मांग कर रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी से, जिन्होंने वादे किए थे कि किसानों के कर्जे माफ़ करेंगे, उनको उनकी पैदावार का उचित दाम देंगे, मिनिमम सपोर्ट प्राइस देंगे। कुछ भी नहीं सुना गया है। इसलिए इस 1 वर्ष में लगभग 700 से अधिक किसानों की जान गई हुई है, पर सरकार सुनने को तैयार नहीं। इसलिए वो सड़क पर फिर शांतिपूर्ण ढंग से बैठे हुए हैं। मैं समझता हूं सरकार को अब उनकी मांग को मान लेना चाहिए।
So let's get a ground update as of now. My colleague Nolan Pinto is on the ground in Bengaluru. Nolan, what is the current status of the situation in the state of Karnataka? Do you see, in fact, I see people behind you still. Who are these protesters? Are they from a party or are they the farmers group? Tell us all.
Well, let me just tell you what's happening over here, not just in Bengaluru, but across Karnataka. Farmer unions, people from various organizations have actually come out quite early in the morning to protest. Let me just show you what's happening in Bengaluru. We are at the very famous Mysore Bank Circle, and this is an important stretch. We must tell that. It's always busy, chock-a-block traffic, because this is the road that leads the central part of the city, the CBD, to the railway station, to the bus station. Imagine that. It's a Monday today. It was normally chock-a-block traffic. Because of the diversions put in place, there are traffic jams across the city. Now, what you see over there are senior leaders from various farmer unions, from the Communist Party, from other organizations who have actually come out to support this particular struggle of the farmers. In fact, when we spoke to some of them in the morning, they say that the Prime Minister is really not interested in the farmers, the actual farmers of the nation, but is only interested in 2 farmers, that is Adani and Ambani. And that is the reason they say that their struggle over here, even though it started last year, November, will not end.
All right, Nolan Pinto there reporting from Bengaluru, telling us about the ground status. So there is support from opposition parties. There is enough show of strength also by the farmers group. But eventually, the ones suffering are daily commuters. People just going on about their job, trying to reach their office, are facing heavy difficulties even now.